Hi, welcome to ResRequest Online Tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at booking documentation. There are 4 documents that are available on each booking to be emailed out either to agents, clients, etc. Let's have a look at an overview for those 4 documents quickly. Having opened an existing reservation with the Details tabs, proceed to Documents. Here we will see the first 2, the Reservation Summary and the Itinerary Summary. The third and the fourth documents are Proforma, which can be viewed here by clicking on the Folio drop-down, clicking on View Proforma, and then the fourth document, which is the tax invoice, is only available once these folios have been invoiced. Now let's have a look at one on this reservation. Click down under the invoice section, drop down arrow and move up to View Invoice. This View Invoice is the tax invoice and is the fourth document available on each reservation. Let's now look at the first of these 4 documents, being the Reservation Summary. On the reservation, under Documents, click on Reservation Summary. This will preload a document based on information that is in the business structure and is sorted by accommodation, extras, travel, and then totals proceeding on to details of the reservation. So these pre-selected areas that are appearing now are what we would call default areas, and those default settings differ on each of the 4 documents. It's important for each company to examine those settings and reset them to their own specific requirements before emailing these documents. This is done at the top. Click on Show Hide and you will see the defaulted options that have pulled through onto the document. Those are the ones that are ticked. To remove them, simply deselect or select, as the case might be, and the document will get built according to your requirements. You may also include document notes. Now these are pre-built into the system so that they can appear for selection or by default. Those ticked will appear by default. The recommended approach for emailing of all 4 of the documents in the system is via the second button at the bottom of each document, Email as PDF. Using this option will place a copy of this email record within the reservation tab called Communications, Comms. Understandably, the other options can be used as required and when required. The name of this document, Reservation Summary, cannot be changed, unlike the other 3 documents can. One can also note that on this document, the Reservation Summary, under Accommodation, the pricing charge per night is split out as and according to the build of that reservation. Once you've selected to email as PDF, you may then have additional options. Let's have a look at those now. This will preload once clicking on Email as PDF. We can then now add on attachments, and attachments could be pre-built into the system. For example, camp directions, malaria precautions, getting to the camp, etc. These, by clicking here now, can then be selected and added to a reservation as an attachment. You may also click on adding a template. In this case, the content behind the pop-up is not your satisfaction and you may want to add your own personalized template. Simply click there and it will amend. By sending now, it will place a copy in the reservation record. Systems may also be set up to auto-CC all emailing that takes place from your reservation system.